Something about me ambition. Keep me on the money mission. Believe na me G's, me believe na the vision. And when me 30 mil me fi sit down. That's just me ambition. Ambition. Keep me on the money mission. Something about me ambition. Ambition. Yo, hustle every day, me no waste time.
What's up? Good morning. Okay, I'm in the bathroom. It is about sometime to 7, a couple minutes to 7. I'm about to take this off. Today we are going to Portland. So obviously I'm gonna be vlogging that so you guys can see. I was trying to lay my edges a little bit, but you know you guys can't keep on that tired until it gives you a headache. I'm hoping I gave my Don's swimsuit some justice, cause bruh, this gave me a time to tie. Today's vlog is supposed to be a vibe. It's just gonna be a little New Year's vibe with my friends, and I'm feeling very excited about that because I really do need to go out. I'm very stressed and I do need to, you know, kind of feel like I'm enjoying my life because I worked very hard over the holidays. So I'm waiting on my friend Nikki to show up, and then my friend Owen is going to bring us, and then I'm gonna meet up with my cousin and her boyfriend, and we are all gonna go to Portland. Alright, so I'm going to be applying my lashes, of course. That's all I'm going to be putting on today. I got this from my bride. I don't even know what brand this is. It's called Super Stronghold Eyelash Adhesive. And I'm going to be wearing my favorite lashes. These are like the only lashes I wear constantly. It's a little pink pack. And by then, Nikki should be here and we are out of here. My stomach hasn't been feeling the best since last night. I don't know. I just feel really off. But, let's see what today has in store for us. You follow them in the car full of those. Now talk to them down nobody can come. Remind me of what the fuck them know about gangsta. Toxic collect with a red sponsor. All I'm doing is a fool. Outside. Send me video there.
Right there. We're doing natural hair today, that's what we're doing. I like it. I look a rendezvous stop, guys.
We know the last part of the puzzle, yo. If you never lose a fam, no tell me nothing. Never get set up in a your gang, no tell me nothing. Another ending of story. Another ending of story.
Alright guys, so we are now at the ATV location because we're going to the ATV riding, but I don't know what we are doing from this point on. Touch Nikki. Ayo! But the journey for come up here is insane. Like it takes so long. I really don't know why it took so long, like so far up in Portland for reach up here, so it's crazy. Of course I wear my dancer swimsuit, which I really did a good job with tying myself this time. And some shorts. Stick it out. Ew! Gang gang, gang gang, gang gang! The outside! Guys, this is not as easy as it looks. I'm stressed out! I shouldn't hear on this, I'm stressed out! Guys, this thing, yeah? Stressful in the backside, I'm stressed out. My chin itch. Every minute the man I feel turn back for help with. Yo! This shit crazy.
Right, that's up.
I'm just like it is cool. I would never swim in this.
That's all. Go look further, probably 50. So yeah, okay, if you got this. No man. Yeah, put yourself. No, me say me can't see right there, no. Yeah. Go on. Yeah, you know have to go pay for it.
No, but that's not safe. Why are you the captain and you can't swim?
Going back, me general.
What's left jacket there in the beginning?
Yeah, we'll jump over overboard.
That is so neat. Look at him at the little edge of the boat.
Which one? US. Per person. I go, you floating going.
How would matter? It's power down the back. Around.
Yo! Campo! Go be drunk shit! One little rum. Yeah, don't tell me about the rum. Nah, go work. Lords of the Fly, Charlton, Charlton. The water inside here is warm and cold. There are 33 springs around, so that's why we do the cold field next to the ocean water. On top is cold, underwater.
65 meters down.
So you can't swim.
Good swim, I can't swim.
This is the blue lagoon.
Alright guys, I am back home. I am exhausted. A migraine almost ruined the day for me, and I did not think I was going to ever like have fun, you know, like the migraine was terrible. But I am glad that we made it home safe. As usual, at the end of all my trips, I'm always so beat. But it was a great day. It was awesome. Starting the year off with that type of energy was definitely refreshing for me, and I hope you guys enjoyed this short vlog. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and thumbs up this video for more content, alright? See you guys later.